Life is hard. Choose your hard. Yes, life is hard. Choose your hard. But every hard comes with a purpose. Stay broke is hard. Choose your hard. Building wealth is hard. Choose your hard. Being in a toxic relationship is hard. Choose your hard. Walking away and healing is hard. Choose your hard. Working a 9 to 5 is hard. Choose your hard. Building a passive income is hard. Choose your hard. Being overweight is hard. Working out and eating right is hard. Choose your hard. Stay silent in your pain is hard. Speaking up, getting help is hard. Choose your hard. Life will always present challenges, but you get to decide which hard will grow you, build you, strengthen your step, and position you for the next level. Choose your hard.